Hey guys, it's Tika and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making some strawberry lemonade cupcakes. And if you're interested in more small batch recipes like the one you see here, feel free to subscribe and don't forget to click the bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. Okay guys, so for these cupcakes you're going to need some all-purpose flour, some cake flour, some salt, baking soda, and baking powder. You're going to need sugar and lemon zest. You're also going to need some whole milk, an egg, and some lemon juice. A little bit of butter. A lemon half, some strawberry slices, a couple of straws, and you're also going to need some vanilla bean paste. So the first thing I'm going to do is start by adding my salt, baking soda, and baking powder in with my flours, and I'm just going to whisk this up a little bit. And I'm going to set this off to the side. Then I'm going to take my lemon juice and I'm going to just add it right into my whole milk, and using a fork, I'm just going to whisk that right in. And I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes to sour up. Then in a large bowl, I'm going to start adding in all of my butter. I'm also going to add in my granulated sugar and my lemon zest. And using my hand mixer today, I am just going to cream these guys together for about 2 to 3 minutes or until everything is nice and light and fluffy. Then using my spatula, I'm just going to give my bowl a little scrape down to make sure I didn't miss anything. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my egg in here. Using my hand mixer, I'm just going to whisk this egg in just until it's incorporated. You don't want to overmix. And then I'm going to start adding in my dry ingredients, and I'm going to add in half at a time. Then using my hand mixer again, I'm just going to mix this in just until the flour is incorporated. You don't want to overmix, so just mix until you don't see any more white. Then I'm going to add in all of my nice soured up milk. And I'm going to mix that in until it is just incorporated. Now I'm going to add in the last portion of my flour. And I'm going to give that a little mix as well. I'm just going to get right in here with my spatula and just get any of the little bits that are left behind. And I'm just going to gently fold those in because I don't want to overwork my batter, but I also want to make sure that I get everything fully incorporated. And since I forgot to add in my vanilla bean paste, I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. Please don't be like me. Please add in your flavorings along with your wet ingredients, guys. Yeah, I'm just going to fold that in. And this is ready to bake. So I'm going to be using a cookie scoop today, and I'm going to do 1.5 scoops of this batter into each one of my liners. This is going to go in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Once these cupcakes are done baking and they're nice and cool, I'm going to take a large closed star tip, and using that natural strawberry frosting we made, I am going to pipe a swirl right on top. I'm going to add a lemon and a strawberry slice and a little straw, and these cupcakes are good to go. Guys, these cupcakes are delicious. They're the perfect amount of tangy and sweet, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one.